This is Shi Zhe Ting for video 1. Show you the shooter. The shooter is a spacecraft. As you can see, it has a barrel that will shoot out bullets. It's one of the weapons. It's just one I added that was part of the original game engine. What I added was when you press the spacebar, it shoots out missiles that expands. As you can see over here, it will expand. And then the other weapon that I added was the rocket, which is implemented with the Z key. So as you can see, when you shoot out the Z, you shoot out. So when you shoot the rocket or anything on the missile, it will shoot the enemy down. That is the function of the shooter.